Meron kaming na-visit dito sa China na isang malaking showroom owned by a group of companies na kayang gawin lahat, from 3D design hanggang sa actual customized manufacturing ng gusto mong setup, whether for residential houses or commercial offices. Ito yung mga sample nilang kitchen and cabinets. May kita mo talaga yung linis ng pagkakagawa, very precise, very premium yung finish. Hindi lang siya maganda sa mata, kundi ramdam mo rin yung quality. Meron din silang mga sample setups for living room, walk-in closet at bedroom. May kita mo kung paano nila pinaplano yung space, pati yung combination ng materials na ginagamit nila. Even sa lavatory at water closet, pati stairs, iba-iba yung design options nila. Lighting fixtures and chandeliers, at kahit yung kulay ng furniture like sofa, curtains at flooring, whether tiles, vinyl or carpet styles, kaya na lang i-customize based sa preference mo. Talagang pinag-isipan from design to execution. Meron din silang wide selection ng doors, steel, aluminum, woods, windows at SPC materials na pwede mong pagpilian. Ang maganda dito, hindi ka na mahihirapan mag-source from different suppliers kasi nandito na lahat in one place. Iba't ibang styles and colors na gusto mo, makukuha nila at magagawa. Ibig sabihin, mas efficient yung process mula concept hanggang matapos yung project mo. Guided ka nila every step of the way. I'll show you more from other videos, pero dito pa lang may kita mo na kung gaano kalaki yung potential nito, lalo na kung madadala natin yung ganitong level ng system at quality sa Philippines, parang one-stop shop for high quality building materials.